Very good evening to one and all. So till now we're talking about basic mathematics. So in the basic mathematics we covered a lot of concepts. Last concept is that integrations. So we're talking about integrations. So what is meant by integration? So let's take an example. Suppose dy by dx is equal to f of x. So I am taking dy by dx equal to f of x. Now what I am doing is that so dy is equal to f of x into dx. F of x into dx. So now I want y. So now I want y. So y is equal to dy integral of f of x dx. So integral and differentiation both are reverse process. So I can get y. So y is equal to what? Integral of f of x dx. So this is the meaning of integration. So let's say an example. So let's take an example. So example 1. So d by dx of, suppose we have x square. So what is x square? dy by dx of x square. What is the formula? So dy by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. This is the differentiation form. So like this, dy by dx of x square, which means so 2 into n into x power n minus 1. So 2 into x power n minus 1. So x power 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 into x. So now what I do according to above logic, so d of x square is equal to 2x into dx. So now I have to operate integration on both sides. Integral I am applying. So just now I told integration and differentiation get cancelled. So what I get here? X square is equal to integral of 2x dx. So integral of 2x dx. So one of the best formula in integration, everybody must learn this formula, very very important formula. So when you are talking about integrations, we learn one formula, that is integral of x power n dx is equal to integral of x power n dx is equal to integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So integral of x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So now what will happen guys, according to this logic, so x square is equal to integral of 2 is the constant here, integral of x dx, integral of x dx. So what you get now? What you get here? 2 into x power 1. So same like this now, integral of x power dx. What is the formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now applying that one. X power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So what you get? 2 into x square plus 2. 2 to cancel. So what you get? X square. So I hope you people are understood. So what is the note here? What is the observation? The observation is that integration and differentiation are reverse process. So reverse processes. So very very important. What you notice guys here. So observation is what? Integration and differentiation are reverse process. So I hope you people are understood. So what I told guys, integration we are discussing. So integration and differentiation. So let us say this is basic principle. So this is very very important formula while dealing with the integration. Keep in mind, always keep in mind guys. Second one is that, so when limits is given out to hand. So that is also very very important. When limits is given, how to handle. Same, when limits is given, how to handle. So same I am taking example. So integral of 0 to 1. So integral of 0 to 1, x cube dx is equal to dash. So integral of 0 to 1. 0 is called lower limit. 0 is called lower limit. So lower limit. 1 is called upper limit. 1 is called upper limit. So 0 is called lower limit. 1 is called what here? Upper limit. So integral of a to b f of x into dx. How to handle these situations? How to handle? So after getting, let us say g of x you get. So g of x you get. So after integration, what you get? G of x you get with the limits of a comma b. With the limits of a comma b. Now what you get, guys? G of b upper limit minus lower limit. Keep in mind. So this is very very important. So this is very very important. So upper limit minus lower limit. So till now what we discussed, guys? Till now what we discussed? So till now we discussed that x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 we have to discuss. So next after that what we discussed? Upper limit, lower limit we discussed. So according to this logic, so let's see, we have to see this example. So integral of 0 to 1 x cube dx. So x cube dx, integral of 0 to 1 x cube dx. So what we get here? Integral of 0 to 1 x cube dx. So we have to apply that formula. What is the formula? X power n. So what is the n value here? 3. 3 plus 1 by n plus 1 in the denominator. So which is the limits from 0 to 1. Keep in mind, guys. What are the limits from 0 to 1? Now what will happen? So x power 4 by 4. X power 4 by 4. X power 4 by 4. The limits is that 0 to 1. So what I told, guys, just now what I told, when you are applying the limits, what you have to suppose to do? We have to suppose to do first upper limit minus lower limit. Keep in mind. So everybody worrying about, so limits where you have to use upper limit minus lower limit. What is the upper limit here? So is equal to x power 4. So 1 by 4 is a constant. So I am taking outside now. So x power 4 limits 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. So limit 0 to 1. Now how to handle 1 by 4 upper limit. What is upper limit? 1 of 4 minus 0 of 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 of 4 means 1. 0 of 4 means 0. So what I get now? 1 of 4 into 1. So finally what I get? The answer is that 4 I have to get. So 1 by 4 I have to get. Agree or not? So 1 by 4 into 4 how much? 1 by 4. So like this we have to get the values. So I hope you people are understood. So how to, when given this limits, how to handle the situations. So this is the way we handle the situations. So next one is that. So let's take another example. How to handle this example? So let's assume this. So integral of ax plus b whole power 3 by 2. So dx. So ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 dx. So how to handle these situations? So what is the answer for this last question, guys? 1 by 4 is the answer for this. So 1 by 4. So this is the answer. So now to handle integral of ax plus b whole power 3 by 2. So we have a function here. We have a function here. So what is the function? Ax plus b. So in this context, how to handle you people? In this context, how to handle? So let's say how to handle. So let ax plus b is equal to, let us say z. In this time, so what we have to do? We have to take ax plus b is equal to z. Ax plus b is equal to z. So this is the way we have to handle you people generally. Now I have to differentiate with respect to dx. Let's see what will happen. So differentiate with respect to dx. Differentiate with respect to dy dx on both sides, dy dx of. So dy dx of, I am differentiating both with dx. So dx I am doing. So dx. So what will happen? So what will happen, guys? So what will happen when I am applying differentiation on both sides with the dx? What will happen? Let's see, guys. So very interesting. So what is this? So a dy dx of ax plus b is equal to what I got here? dz by dx. dz by dx. So what I get? So dy dx of ax plus b. So this is constant. So what I have to do? Dx of ax plus dy dx of b is equal to dz by dx. So I hope people are understood. So dy dx of a. So this is constant. So dy dx of ax. So dy dx of ax